సిక్స్త్ క్లాస్ ఇంగ్లీష్ సెకండ్ లెసన్ తెలంగాణ ద ప్రైడ్ ఆఫ్ ద పీపుల్. ఈ లెసన్ గ్లోజరీ. ఎమోషన్, ఎక్సైట్మెంట్. రెడ్ లెటర్ డే, ఏ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ డే. డైలెక్ట్, ఏ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ లాంగ్వేజ్. ఫెర్వర్, ఏ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఫీలింగ్ ఆఫ్ enthusiasm. ఫెట్, పబ్లిక్ సెలబ్రేషన్. కల్మినేట్, reach the end of something. Significance, importance. Religious tolerance, accepting the feelings of all the religions. Immerse, to put into water. Weaver, one who makes cloth. Antiques, things that are old and valuable. Revive, to make active again. Preserve, to keep in good condition. Dedicate, to devote. Pattern, an arrangement of a design. Portrait, a painting. Invocation, prayer. Prominence, importance. We saw the jubilant procession. We saw the jubilant procession అంటే అందమైన ఊరేగింపు. ఒగ్గు కథ ఈజ్ ఏ వెరీ పాపులర్ ఫోక్లోర్. The sarees of Pochampalli, Gadwal and Narayanpet are very popular for their attractive patterns. The underlined words help us to express our opinion. They are opinion adjectives. Complete the following passage. Small, attractive, flightless, different. ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన వర్డ్స్ యూజ్ చేసి మనం ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన 4 వర్డ్స్ యూజ్ చేసి మనం ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన ప్యాసేజ్ని ఫిలప్ చేయాలి. స్క్వైరల్స్ ఆర్ అట్రాక్టివ్ ఎనిమల్స్ అండ్ సో ఎవ్రీవన్ లైక్స్ దెమ్. They are found in different colors. They are small but can move very fast. They eat nuts, fruits, and sometimes insects. They are flightless because they can only jump short distances. Most of the squirrels live in trees' holes. They even store their food there. Grammar. Now there is more scope for development. Moreover, we can revive our culture. We celebrate main festivals as well as the regional festivals. We celebrate main festivals as well as the regional festivals. Besides, we have Jataras. And the Salajai Museum is one of the 3 national museums. Not only that, our great poets contributed to our rich culture. The highlighted expressions help us in linking our ideas. Swati is a well-known singer. She sings Telugu and Hindi songs. Moreover, she is a student of computer science. She not only works on computer but also designs programs. Besides music, she likes books. Editing. Lakshmi was reading a storybook sitting off a train. It was very interesting. The story was about an wise man. Just then an old man came there. He was not able to carry his luggages. He asking Lakshmi's father, "Can you please help me?" He helped the old man. ఇక్కడ పైన ఇచ్చిన ప్యాసేజ్లో అండర్లైన్ చేసినవన్నీ కూడా మిస్టేక్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇప్పుడు ఈ మిస్టేక్స్ని మనం సెట్ చేసి కరెక్ట్గా ప్యాసేజ్ రాయాలి. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, లక్ష్మి వాస్ రీడింగ్ ఏ స్టోరీ బుక్ సిట్టింగ్ ఇన్ ఏ ట్రైన్. ఆఫ్ ట్రైన్ కాదు, ఇన్ ఏ ట్రైన్. ఇట్ వాస్ వెరీ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్. ఇట్ వర్ కాదు, వాస్. ద స్టోరీ వాస్ అబౌట్ ఏ వైస్ మ్యాన్. యాన్ వైస్ మ్యాన్ కాదు, ఏ వైస్ మ్యాన్. జస్ట్ దెన్ అన్ ఓల్డ్ మ్యాన్ కేమ్ దేర్. He was not able to carry his luggage. Luggages plural ఉండదు, luggage. He asked Lakshmi's father. Asking కాదు, asked Lakshmi's father. Can you please help me? He helped the old man. Full stop. నెక్స్ట్ గ్లోసరీ చూద్దాం. ఓయ్, ఏ మీనింగ్ యూ యూజ్డ్ ఇన్ ద పాస్ట్, ఎస్పెషల్లీ టు అడ్రస్ మోర్ దెన్ వన్ పర్సన్. వేర్స్, goods that someone sells in a market or on the streets. Brocade, expensive thick cloth with a pattern woven into it. Amber, a hard yellow brown substance used for making jewelry. Jade, a precious stone used for making jewelry and art objects. Vendor, someone who sells something. Peddler, someone who goes from one place to another selling things. Frail, thin and delicate. Ivory, the yellowish white bone that an elephant tusk is made of. Dice, a small block with 6 sides marked with spots. Scabbards, a small block with 6 sides scabbards, a cover for the blade of a sword or dagger. Aeon, an extremely long period of time. Tassels, a group of strings tied together at one end and fastened to clothing or objects for decoration. Azure, bright blue. Chocolates, a circle of flowers and leaves that you wear on your head. Remarkable, special. Hesitate, pause before doing something. ఏదైనా చేసే ముందు సందేహించడం. Devotee, one who is strongly interested in something. Translate, to change into a different language. Compliment, make something better. Rhythm, musical pattern. Quote, repeat the words said by someone. Stand fast, refuse to give up. Dare, face difficulty. Ballad, a narrative song or poem of popular origin. Comrade, companion, fellow, associate. Summoned, asked to come. Scarf, a garment worn around the head or neck or shoulders.